Welcome to the Green Wasp Removal YouTube channel. We specialize in environmentally responsible control of wasps, hornets, and yellowjackets. We remove invasive species and we relocate beneficial native species without using toxic pesticides. You're invited to ride along with us while we work in the field, removing wasp nests here in Northeast Indiana, USA, and when we study the local wasp species here in our research lab. Our goal with this channel is to provide you with the knowledge you need to identify your native and your invasive species of wasps, to create awareness about the importance of beneficial wasps in our ecosystems, and to provide this information in an interesting and entertaining format that's appropriate for viewers of all ages. We help people understand that most wasp species are beneficial insects who do very necessary work as pollinators and biological control agents. Humans and wasps can usually coexist peacefully with no problem. Thanks for riding along with us. If you enjoy our content, feel free to engage with us directly by leaving comments or questions. And please like and subscribe to let us know you're there.